Hi, I'm Danny Vega, head of the Window and Door Division here at Global Sales. I'd like to take a few minutes to talk to you about the different lines of windows we offer. Each line has a unique point of difference, so we're sure to have the windows that are appropriate for your project and appeal to your sense of style and your budget. We're based here in Florida, so we understand the importance of products that stand up to the salty air and high winds. That's why all of our products are designed specifically for island living. We offer a few internationally recognized brands that each have a very specific function that separates it from the others. We'll begin with the PGT window. I have here a single hung unit, which means that the bottom sash moves up and down while the top sash remains fixed. We also offer a double hung unit, which means that both the top and the bottom sash move up and down independently. There are many options available to give your house its own unique look, such as color options in either white or tan. There are also glass options such as clear, obscure, or energy efficient. In addition to the glass, we can add grid options in several different pattern profiles, including colonial or prairie, just to name a few. In addition to the double hung unit, PGT offers a wide variety of other window styles. Jeldwen is another line of window we offer with several similar features as the PGT unit. However, there are a number of differences that make the Jeldwen line unique. For instance, Jeldwen now offers a vinyl window with a bronze exterior and a white interior. They also offer an awning window. This is when the window is hinged at the top and cranks out from the bottom. This window features the Jeldwen Impact Guard glass. This protects your home from flying debris during hurricane-force winds. For our friends in Bermuda, we also offer a vinyl window with a matching subframe. This product was specifically created with the Bermuda construction in mind. The setup is very efficient and economical. As you can see, the window is shipped inside the frame to reduce valuable container space. In fact, all of our windows are shipped in reinforced boxing, completely ready for export. With all of these product offerings, we can quote a virtually endless array of custom size and shape window units. Simply provide us with the design and we'll be happy to quote it. In addition to windows at Global Sales, we offer a full selection of building materials and supplies, from flooring, cabinets, lighting, lumber, rebar, even tools, nails, and caulking, specifically for Bermuda and the Caribbean. So keep us in mind for your next project and keep an eye out for our next video. See you soon.